Welcome to my store. Get in the pot. And this will all be piled up pretty and nice. Back here, we're just going to continue the roll. Because as long as all of your edges where water could come out are underneath, water could never come out. So, he's got a bunch of ugly stones and things, so we're going to use them underneath the liner to hold it up, and then use pretty stones to look at. Now you got some construction debris kicking around. Pretty much anything can be used. He's got bricks. They're always good because they stack nice. Broken concrete pieces. Once again, they stack nice. So all you're doing really is creating a back. That way, his bog's in there, his waterfall's here, everything is all going to just flow into the pond. If I don't kill myself. See, I've been trying to get to this job for a whole 2 weeks now, but it's been constantly raining. Now, I don't mind cleaning ponds in the rain. I do object to building them in the rain. Too much water. I don't like getting wet. Yeah, I know. I picked a profession that I hate getting wet, and yet I did this. And you make the back edge really sturdy. The last thing you want is to ever have to redo the back. Makes you look bad. But it's a good way to use up the ugly rocks. I'll run the camera past this when I get it stacked so that you can see what I did. And then we'll take it right to the edge of the post, and that way it'll look all pretty and finished and everything. You want something really big up here so that it goes like that. Okay? And what do we got for bricks? Mosquitoes. Did you know that male mosquitoes are deaf? No, female mosquitoes are deaf. Only the males can hear. So all those high-pitched frequency noises that they have to keep mosquitoes away from you, yeah, they keep the males away from you. Males don't bite you though. Okay. Okay, here what we're doing. Okay, so what you see is that row of rocks. The waterfall's here. This has all been curled up. So any water that goes anywhere from here will go into the pond. Hello? I am good. I'm extremely busy shooting a video. I'll call you back, okay? Bye. Yeah, the big one is the one I need.
Just one big one?
Just one.
How many we got? Just one?
No, there's 5 or 10 in there, but you've seen the van, like not being able to find something in my van.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, it's called Tuesday.
I was lucky to find this one.
I'm lucky to find anything in there. Okay, so we showed them what we did. We built this wall. Now we're going to finish the edge, and then we're going to finish the back. So we're going to move the camera over here so that they can see what we're doing here. So we got the rocks all laid out. That's what you do. You lay all your rocks out. That way the stacker can see what he has available. And that way the stacking goes ever so much faster. Okay. Bear with me for a second. I'm going to crank her up. I need to get some height on this thing. Okay, don't look at the camera, it's shaky as anything. Okay, so now we're back. Tripod, you guys must love this. Okay, so we'll clamp this sucker up. Where's my leather? Is there a stick or something?
There's a hockey stick.
No, I need something pointy.
Pointy.
I knew people with pointy head, but that wouldn't work.
No, not at all.
Sharp and pointy. Okay, we got her out with the time. But as you can tell, stainless steel does rust if you get it in salt water often enough.
Yes, it does.
So we're going to have to leave this open anyhow because I have to tee off of it to run the UV sterilizer. Because if I run this much water through the UV sterilizer all at once, it's going to not be in there long enough for it to do its job. So we'll leave this end open and we'll stack it when I come back.
Okay, it starts stacking.
I make it fast, very fast. Emerald cabs, yeah, we got emerald and burgundy, both in tank number 1 and in the tub underneath. There's probably 10. $18 or $12. One of the other, they're on the list. Bye. I don't know if we had any emerald crabs. Yes, we did. We have emerald and we have burgundy.
So which ones do we start with, if any?
As soon as I get this clamped on, I will start pointing at things and telling you.
Okay.
Because what we'll do is we'll start over on that edge and we'll come around here. That way we'll have the continuity.
Well, what is, oh, that edge?
Yeah.
So, not, okay.
Yeah, we're going to finish that edge. And then we're going to come over and do this edge.
How safe is it to cross that little...
The little land bridge there,
Yeah.
just walk across it solid. I've walked across it.
Okay. I can't afford to get wet. Especially I can't afford to get wet today.
What, you can't wet your pants?
No, I just can't know my ankle. I got it wrapped in with the algae. I got cream on it.
Oh, you hurt your ankle?
A few days ago. It's still kind of... Yeah. It's like a bitch, but that's why I went off this weekend. I got nothing to do with